Hey YouTube, back at you with another video from Team Hooligan. We got the EM2 today. I'm going to be doing some work on it. I'm going to try and get most of the accessories off. When you go online, you really can't see that many walkthroughs. The footage is really bad, so I want to give you guys something that's nice. Just a breakdown of what we did last time. We got the radiator out and the condenser, although since the car was hit from the front, it did cause a little bit of a headache, but other than that, it was pretty mainstream. Took 10-15 minutes the most. But for today, I'm going to try and jack the car up, get the axle nuts off, pull the axle out, get most of the accessories out, because I do have work today, so I don't want to spend too much time trying to take it apart. And then I'll try to feature getting the crankshaft off the engine for the 351 Cleveland for the 67 Mustang. Alright, but for today, we're just gonna keep it simple with these two tasks, and when we take a look at the timing chain, you got one bolt that is a 9/16 bolt. I am going to use an impact wrench because that's going to make it much easier for me, and that's what I would recommend. But let's keep chugging along here. Alright, let's get this time. Okay, I know today's video was a little choppy, but I wanted to end off by showing you guys that I did kind of move things around in the garage, try to make it a little more organized and cleaner, so that when you guys watch, it's not a whole mess around here. I'm gonna go around and show you guys real quick. Over here, there were a bunch of parts when I first started my video shooting in my my channel. The heads were here, the intake manifold was here. Almost everything that was accessory wise for the engine was right there, so it was a big mess. All right, let's move on to this side. On this side, I don't know if you guys remember, there were a bunch of leaves everywhere. It was disgusting. I did move a lot of things around here. And then when we come into this room, this room wasn't even accessible before. It was just a whole bunch of garbage and parts that I wasn't using. I even installed some lighting in here to make it easier for us to see. I will be working on the dirt bike this week and getting it back up and running. All it needs is a spark plug and a clutch and a clutch lever, but besides that it's good to go. And then I went ahead and organized all my stuff over here with my power tools. We come back here, I did repurpose this area to house my tools, and hopefully this makes this a lot easier for me in the future. I got the Honda on top over here, and then I got the Ford stuff over here to make it easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day. I know the last time I was here, guys, the chain was actually on here. Unfortunately, I had to take it off. I couldn't get this timing chain sprocket off the top one, so I really wanted to get the crankshaft off, get the pistons out, and then send it to the shop. I'm just gonna leave this on here for them. It looks like it's stuck in there pretty hard. If you guys have any advice on how to get it out, please let me know in the comments below. But other than that, I'm gonna get the crankshaft off, get the pistons out right now, and let's get this engine over to the engine performance shop. All right, thank you. And this is what you gotta use to get that out when it's stuck. Actually, get anything out that's circular shaped and has a diameter that looks like that. But this tool is really good. Alright, so we got the camshaft out. Doesn't look like there's any damage on it. Just looks like it was used, and that's about it. Let's leave this one on the side. Get off here. I do have to get a nut or a screw to put into the crankshaft because I did lose the other one. So I can turn it over to get the pistons out. Getting the pistons out should take me about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Real easy. Let me show you guys what I got over the weekend from one of my friends. I did get an intercooler, and he had given me a turbo kit before. For a D17 engine. This is a direct bolt-on with the with the exhaust manifold. It looks alright. It doesn't look like it's too bad, but at least we have something for our Honda Civic project, which would be really cool. I do want to get a couple things done tonight when I come back from work. I want to get this whiteboard up so that I can, be a little more organized with my videos. I feel like sometimes I babble on and I don't have any organization to what I'm doing, but this will help me out. I'll put it over here on the wall, and that way I can write down what I want to do, what I want to talk about, and make life a lot easier for me.